Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of sending the validation code through SMS while signing into Telegram. If you're ready, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Play Store and search for Telegram in the search bar. Look for the app with a distinctive blue circle that contains a white paper airplane. This is the official Telegram app. Step 2. Tap on the Telegram app to select it. Then tap on Install to begin the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Step 3. On the welcome screen, tap on Start Messaging. Enter your country code or select it from the country menu beforehand. Then type in your phone number in its international form. Tap on the forward arrow to proceed. Step 4. Double-check that the entered phone number is correct. If you made a mistake, tap on Edit to correct it. If the number is correct, tap on Yes. Telegram will now check if your number is valid. If you have already signed into Telegram on another device, a screen with Check Your Telegram Messages will appear alongside the validation code input menu. Instead, tap on Send through SMS instead. By following these steps, you can easily send the validation code through SMS while signing into Telegram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.